Charisma's a game changer. You got charisma, you can make any girl melt. You can sway anybody's opinion towards what you want. Today, I'm gonna show you how to be more charismatic. Let's hop into this. Number one, you gotta learn the art of small talk. And by the way, I'm with you on this. Look, I hate small talk, but you gotta learn this stuff if you wanna know when and how to use it. Let me give you a good example. Let's say you're in line. It could be, let's say you're gonna grab a cup of coffee. XYZ's in front of you. You could be like, oh, what type of coffee person are you? They'll say, blah, 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 blah. You can be like, oh man, you're lucky. It's straight black for me. I've been actually trying to cut the sugar. I've been hitting the gym lately, trying to cut where I can. So then you just pay them a little compliment. People love compliments. Oh, yo, you look like you go to the gym too. Do you hit the gym? So they'll be like, yeah, I do. I go to so and so. Then you can be like, no way, that used to be my gym. No, now I'm going more uptown. It's closer to work. I live in that area. Where do you live? You literally just talked about coffee. You could have gone down the gym and talked about bodybuilding. You talked about where you live and what part of the city you live. Like 3 different things within a course of 10 seconds. That's called stringing. In other words, you're going to string the conversation into these meaningless little things that if you wanted to, you can take into deeper conversation. Number 2. Make them want to stay. With charisma, you're gonna lure people in with all senses. So you're gonna lure them with your body language. That's what they see. You look friendly. You're gonna lure them with your game, right? With how you talk, with that small talk. That's what they hear. You're gonna lure them with how you smell. That's the one people forget because that's what makes it pleasant. When you got all senses lured in, do you think that person's gonna wanna go anywhere else? No, you're way too charismatic, bro. How you smell is the one thing you can control that you can change like this. 30 seconds, bro. You got complete control over this. And if you're not getting compliments for how good you smell, you're probably not listening to your older brother. And you probably have a weak scent game, which makes no sense because your older brother, yo, I make sense for a living. Yo, our brand, Santa Lucia, is the best in the game for a reason. We produce our fragrances in France with some of the best oils in the world. And when I design fragrances, I do it with one intent. I want you to smell irresistible. I want you to smell so good people want to stay near you. They don't want to go anywhere else. That's my goal. So if you can't find a good fragrance, go check out Santa Lucia. Our new dark collection will blow you away. And here's the thing, it's expensive. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's expensive and it's I purposely made it expensive because I wanted the best of the best. And we did. We have oils from Italy and France. The scent, unlike anything else, I promise you, not only are you going to fall in love with it, anybody that smells you, instantly hooked. So I'm going to hook it up for you guys. Today only, 24 hours. Again, this is not going to last. It's only for the dark collection. Nothing else on Santa Lucia. Just for those dudes that really want to be charismatic. I'm going to do a 35% discount. Yo, did you just hear that? 35%. We've never done a sale for Santa Lucia like this. This is our new collection stuff. I think we only have a few bottles percent, which means it's probably going to sell out, which means it is going to be first come, first serve. So those of you that want to smell good, you can pick up any individual bottle at 35% off. But if I were you, if you really want the good deal, yo, buy the set. If you buy all 3, you're getting already a $150 discount just for buying the set. You're going to add another 35% to that. That's insane. That's a steal, bro. 24 hours, I'm telling you, starts now. That means in 24 hours, that code is gone and you missed out, bro. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 3, use positive body language. What did I just say? When you are charismatic, it's because you're making people want to stay and talk to you through all their senses, including what they see. Your body language is important, and it'll say a lot more than what you're doing with your words. See, if you're being friendly, opening, you're fronting that other person's gonna feel welcome. They're gonna feel like you want them to be there, and there's no better feeling than being wanted. People are gonna want to stay in your presence. That's why you wanna have that welcoming presence. You wanna talk with your hands. You wanna look at them in the eyes, and more importantly, you wanna front them with your body. You wanna point your entire body into their direction to show them you got their full attention. Which takes us on to number 4. Keep the eye contact strong. There is nothing more attractive, especially if you're with a girl and you really want her to think you're charismatic. You keep that eye contact strong. See, that's how she knows you've been around the block. That's how she knows you got experience. If you're not the type of dude that will quiver and shake in front of a woman's presence, she'll know, like, yo, this guy knows what he's doing. This is why when you're talking to somebody, yo, you keep that eye contact strong. You keep it lingering, right? She's gonna feel awkward, right? She might get that butterfly feeling. She might feel a little shy. She might look away. Not you. Ultimately, rolls us on to number 5. Use your hands to speak. When you use your hands to speak, it's like you become more animated. You bring whatever you're saying or whatever idea to life, and you make it more interesting, which helps captivate audiences. Look at any public speaker. They will always use their hands to speak, to express an idea. That's what makes you captivating and charismatic, because it makes it seem as if you're comfortable not only in your own body and in moving around, but also in what you're saying. Like, you can stand behind what you say, and that's captivating. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, don't forget, boys, if you want to be charismatic with how you smell, today only, 24 hours. Yo, you're down about 10 minutes. You're getting 35% on Santa Lucia, just the dark collection. Bro, if you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below.